What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Got a new tool alert. Yesterday I was able to pick up the new long reach inline die grinder. I grabbed this one so fast I didn't even get the box. Who needs the box anyway, right guys? So this is the new long reach inline die grinder. As you can see, I already got a flapper wheel on it. Hopefully the video does some justice. Hear how smooth it sounds. And yes, it is brushless. So our model number is CGR S865. Got it in red, only color I saw. Actually, the only one I saw. I went ahead and traded in my old inline die grinder. This new die grinder is supposed to have a little bit more power. Exactly what, I don't know yet. I gotta look it up and figure it out. Hopefully I can add it to the video. So you see up top it has a high and a low, H and L, high speed, low speed. It's recommended you don't switch it from high to low while you operating it. So make sure you turn the power off before you switch it from high to low. So that's the lowest setting on low. So I got 7 speeds. And that's cool, I can switch it from high to low with one hand. So you can hear the difference. Oh, there you have it, guys. New tool alert. Snap-on's new brushless long reach die grinder. And again, that is model number CGR S865.